We are here at the India International Science Festival. We have big props, exhibits and big structures to excite the kids and teach them about science.
Okay, first class served. Centrifugal and centrifugal force. बहुत जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करना चाहिए क्योंकि 3 दिन का सबसे बेहतरीन शो और पूरा का पूरा हाउसफुल है.
As a science teacher, I have seen many experimental shows being conducted, but this is by far one of the best. As the name suggests itself, FabLabShow, it was just fabulous.
Like really simple science concepts and everything, but they explained in such a fun manner. I really loved it. It was like beyond expectation. And the chip was of course very much interesting.
Concept of chip was fantastic. It should be everywhere.
Or a mechanical nut like the one in front.
And of course the chip. Yeah. I wanted to hug him here too.
Causing friction between the stick and the rice.
I'm a life science teacher. Kind of learning that the students are going through, I would say it's quite monotonous, and this brings a new approach towards learning.
You can see the principles of physics in front of you.
Whoa!
Students ultimately correlate whatever they learn in the textbook, how it is applicable in your day-to-day life.
We don't know how is it applied in a real life. So this kind of shows can help the kids to connect with the whatever they are studying. And it was very interesting, very interactive, very fun to watch.
FabLab Maker humans bring out the books.
They have to understand science and not ratta maro science. So your concept is bang on. Whoever is hearing me, please, if this gets aired or done, please go visit it. It just exceeds expectations.
Teaching science to the students in such an entertaining method is very good because they really come to know the concepts behind them. Students also will develop interest in science.
बच्चों को लगता है कि फुटबॉल खेलते तो हैं लेकिन खेलते हैं उसमें पता नहीं लगता कि फिजिक्स काम कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है तो अच्छा लगा.
Nice.
Do you think we should do these shows in schools and other?
Absolutely.
Yes.
FabLabShow.